What brings me here is actually I'm interested in the tech space. My path is aligned into the tech side of things.
Awesome, awesome. What in tech brings you into this environment?
Well, first, tech is a broad tool. So things like coding, you're looking into things like how can you bring technology into businesses. So those kind of things like how do you deal with technology into businesses? How do you actually get people in your company to adapt to tech because it constantly changes, it constantly evolves. So those kind of things.
Fabulous. Are you here with the company or is it in your own capacity? How did you hear about us?
Okay, so I'm here with a friend who's here with the company,
Oh, I love it.
which is Nyatela SA company. So that's basically who I'm with currently right here.
Fabulous. Thank you so much for indulging us. Sir, please tell us your name. Who are you? Who are you here with? And what's your interest in an event like this?
Okay. What brought me here, like, was that because, like, I was interested in, especially in data analytics. You see, so like when
Smart.
like that, like, will help us, like, in our company mostly. Yeah, like also like in.
What does your company do?
Oh, our company like, is into engineering and construction. We mostly focus on like facility maintenances, like in companies, yeah. And also like we do also like offer like or sell and like maintain like generators. You see, yeah.
Oh, very good business for these times.
Yes, yeah.
How did you find out about us?
Found out about you like from a friend, actually, like from someone from here. Ifundi.
Wonderful.
Yes, so like I was like, would you guys be interested in attending the event? You were like, yes, and then also like came also like, yeah, to know more about the skills that you guys offer and also to network, and also like personally, because like I was also interested in
Yes. Tell us.
security. Like, yeah, I wanted to know like what type of certificates that they offer, because you see like also cyber like is broad in like IT. You see. Yeah, and also like I'm interested like in also like learning, like acquiring those skills like that they offer here.
So we'll be seeing you on our campuses in the near future.
Yes, I hope so. Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. How did you feel? Did you feel that today's event answered your questions and that it spoke to why you came here?
Yes, it did, and I also like learned something interesting. Like
Tell us about it.
in terms of what Mr. was it Litlo Nolo like spoke about.
Mr. Litlohononomche.
Yeah, like on the system that they use like to track like the drivers, like the trucks, because like we wanted to use like to integrate that system like into our company, like like
Have you spoken to him? We hope you've networked and exchanged contacts.
spoke to him, like, yeah, she did manage to get his contact details, so that, yeah, like we'll be hearing more from him, or maybe we'll organize some meetings.
I was happy to hear how you were able to touch on topics such as providing the youth with the access to learning these different skills.
So important, right?
Digital skills, yeah. Just giving everyone the option so you don't have to feel like you're left out.
Yes.
So we can evolve together. And so, yeah, I think it's great what you guys are doing. And
Thank you.
to be keen for the next one if there is a...
Oh, there are going to be so many more. So many more. Yes. Thank you. And you actually represent a demographic we care a lot about, young black men in South Africa, in Africa. So thank you so much for stopping by. Cheers.